Dear students, today I am going to describe you about polynomials. An expression of the form px is equal to a0 a1x plus a2x square plus a3x x cube plus dot 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 an x to the power n are called a polynomial. It's called a polynomial in x of degree 1 where a0 a1 a2 dot 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 an are real numbers and an not equal to 0. An expression of the form px is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus dot 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 an x to the power 1 n is called a polynomial in x of degree n, where an is not equal to 0. Here a0, a1, a2, an are real numbers and an is not equal to 0. यदि किसी बीजगणितीय व्यंजक में एक से अधिक पद हो, पद मीन्स स्वज्ञात टर्म्स, तो उसे हम बहुपद कहते हैं. An expression of the form px is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus dot dot an x to the power n is called a polynomial in x of degree n. px रूप का व्यंजक a0 plus a1x plus a2x square dot dot an x to the power n चर x में n घात का बहुपद कहते हैं. where a to the power n. Here an not equal to 0. A0 and A1, A0, A2, An are real numbers. There are many types of polynomial, and for linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Examples of polynomial are 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 is a polynomial of degree 1. Another example is 8x squared minus 5x plus 3. It is also a polynomial of degree 2. This polynomial is called quadratic polynomial, and one number is linear polynomial. If a polynomial, the exponent of x is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. Example of linear polynomial, and example 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So, अब one is 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. What is a 0 of a polynomial? बहुपद का शून्य. A real number is called alpha. A real number alpha is called a 0 of a polynomial px if p alpha is equal to 0. बहुपद का शून्य. कोई वास्तविक संख्या अल्फा बहुपद का शून्य कहलाती है यदि p अल्फा बराबर 0. Here we put the symbol alpha in px. If the result is 0, then alpha is called 0 of a polynomial. This is very important. If alpha plus beta, 3 number, if alpha and beta are zeros, if alpha and beta are zeros of px, यदि अल्फा और बीटा बहुपद px के शून्य हो, px बराबर ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू bx प्लस c, then अल्फा प्लस बीटा बराबर अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी बाई ए एंड 2 नंबर अल्फा बीटा इज इक्वल टू सी बाई ए। इफ अल्फा एंड बीटा आर जीरोज ऑफ पी एक्स, यदि अल्फा और बीटा बहुपद पी एक्स ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी बराबर जीरो के शून्यक हों तो देन वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी बाई ए, वेयर माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू माइनस कोफिशिएंट of x by a refers coefficient of x square. A coefficient of x square अल्फा प्लस बीटा बराबर माइनस बी बाई ए, वेयर बी रिप्रेजेंट्स कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स, मीन्स एक्स का गुणांक बट्टा एक्स स्क्वायर का गुणांक, दैट इज कॉल्ड माइनस बी बाई ए, एंड अल्फा बीटा इज इक्वल टू सी बाई ए, वेयर सी इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट टर्म, सी बाई ए इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट टर्म, कांस्टेंट equal to constant term by a coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Alpha beta बराबर. It is very important to solve in प्रॉब्लम अल्फा प्लस बीटा बराबर इफ अल्फा एंड बीटा आर जीरोज ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल पी एक्स, यदि बहुपद पी एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी बराबर के यदि शून्यक हो अल्फा और बीटा, तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा का मान होता है माइनस बी बाई ए, मीन्स एक्स का गुणांक बट्टा कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर का गुणांक, and alpha beta mean product of product of 0 is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Now I give you some example. I am describe you an example of chapter polynomial. Examples. Question: find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Polynomial 2x square plus 5x minus 12 and verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficients use and this type of problem will come across in solving the exercise. Find the zeros of the polynomial 2x square plus 5x minus 12. बहुपद 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 12 का शून्यक ज्ञात करें और इसके शून्यक, बहुपद के शून्यक और गुणांकों के बीच संबंध स्थापित करें. let px is equal to 2x square plus 5x minus 12. This is a polynomial in x. After factorization, 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. If you factorize polynomial 2x square plus 5x minus 12, we can write 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. Taking common from two parts, 2x into x plus 4 minus taking common 3, x plus 4 is equal to x plus 4 into 2x minus 3. Now we have to find the zero. So here 0 is equal to minus 4 and 2x minus 3. इसलिए px बराबर 0 या x प्लस 4 बराबर 0, px बराबर 0 अथवा x प्लस 4 बराबर इंटू 2x माइनस 3 बराबर 0. If x plus 4 बराबर 0, then x is equal to minus 4 and 2x minus 3 बराबर 0, then x is equal to x बराबर 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Here we have two zeros of the polynomial px, minus 4 and 3 by 2. Minus 4 and 3 by 2. So the zeros are minus 4 and 3 by 2. Now we verify the relationship between the zero and its coefficient. We write sum of zeros to find the relationship. Sum of zeros now sum of zeros is equal to 3 by 2 sum of zeros is equal to minus 4 plus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 8 plus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus into coefficient of x by for 2 we can write coefficient of x square. X square sum of 0 is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and product of 0 is equal to alpha plus beta, alpha into beta बराबर c by a. तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 0 is equal to minus 4 into 3 by 2 is equal to minus 6. For minus 6 we can write minus 12 by 2. For minus 6 we can write minus 12 by 2 is equal to minus 6 is equal to, here minus 12 is constant term by 2 is coefficient of x square. In this way we can verify the relationship between zeros and its coefficient. This type of problem will come across when you will start to solve exercise. In next class I will start exercise. You will practice. Thank you.